Welcome to Career Launching. Today we are back with the latest hiring updates. Before we move into the video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And our first up, we have hiring from Accenture. They are hiring for application support engineer. Let us see. It is for freshers and experience up to 2 years, and it is for fresh batches. The year has not been specified yet, so everybody can try to apply. We can see application support engineer, and you need to the role we can see the role act as a software detectives, provide a dynamic service identifying and solving issues within multiple components of critical business systems, and it is for freshers 0 to 2 years of experience. Yes, the roles and responsibilities include expected to build knowledge and support the team, participate in problem solving discussions, assist in documenting issues and resolutions to enhance team knowledge base, and collaborate with cross functional teams to facilitate effective communication and problem resolution. And you need to have skills in clinical data management, strong analytical skills to diagnose and troubleshoot software issues effectively. Basically, it is a support role. If you are interested, you can apply, and it is for Bangalore location. We can see it here. This position is based at our Bangalore office. Okay. And qualification include 15 years full-time education. If you are getting the application already exists issue, I have made a video on how to withdraw your applications, previous applications, so that you can apply to this role. Okay, you will ask requesting for the data deletion in the portal. You will get an email after some days. You need to wait for some days. After some days, you will get an email stating that your application has been expired from our database. Okay. Next up, we have hiring from Accenture again. Like we have shared it so many times. The application is still active. That's why I'm sharing with you all again today for the new candidates and for the people who are asking for the application link. And they are hiring for custom software engineer role. Those who have applied on the day we have sent are getting the interview mails also. And the required skill is Python, only Python. And it is for freshers and experienced up to 2 years as well. You need to have knowledge on Python itself. That's it. And it is the Accenture. Both of them are from Accenture. These are the Accenture hiring for you. Next up, we have hiring from Honeywell. Let us see. Yes. For this hiring, you need to have a specialization in cybersecurity. I mean, like BTech in CS, cybersecurity. Okay. And they have not mentioned the particular skills. You basically need to have skill in cybersecurity itself. Yes. The key responsibilities include support cybersecurity assessments, threat modeling and risk analysis activities, assist in identifying and tracking security vulnerabilities and remediation actions. Must have, yeah, bachelor's degree in cybersecurity, and you need to have experience with software development methodologies and best practices such as agile, waterfall, and all. Mostly agile, okay, and strong problem solving skills. It is the Honeywell hiring for you, software engineering for Bangalore location as well. And if you have a specialization in cybersecurity, only apply. Yeah, if you have a specialization in cybersecurity only, you will get shortlisted. Try applying for this role, and it is for Bangalore location, and it is the Honeywell hiring for you. Next up, we have hiring from Citi Full Stack Java developer. 1 second. Java developer hiring. If you have a Java background, you can apply. 1 second. We have mentioned everything clearly in the blog. You can see here. Okay, you need to click apply now to get redirected to the main application. And it is full stack Java developer by Citi Careers. Okay, and the qualifications include in-depth knowledge and application of Java, J2EE, HTML or CSS, Angular, JSP, Servlets, JDBC, Struts framework, Spring and microservices. Okay, and you need to have awareness of unit testing frameworks, Azure and all, and awareness of application servers or web servers. And the education include bachelor's degree with or equivalent experience. They have not mentioned the year, so every batch try to apply. Okay, and this is the Citi hiring for you, hiring for full stack Java developer. If you have certification as well, it will be an added advantage. So yeah, apply for this role if you have Java background, and it is Citi hiring for you. Next up, we have hiring for data analyst role. It is from MHTECHIN. Good opportunity. You need to take an online assessment and you need to know. Wait, this opportunity as well we have shared a long time ago. Oh, sorry. Let me check here. We have shared this a long back ago. The application is still active. That's why I'm sharing it again. It is for 2025 to 2026 graduates and they are hiring for data analyst role. Your key responsibilities include collect, clean, and transform large complex data sets from multiple sources. Okay, you need to have good amount of knowledge on any analytical tool, which is either Tableau, Power BI, or Looker. Okay, eligibility and qualifications include graduation year 2025 to 2026, BE, BTech, BSc, MSc, MTech, MBA Analytics, or equivalent, and field of study CS, statistics, mathematics, data science, economics or related discipline, strong knowledge of SQL and advanced Excel, familiarity with Python or R or data analysis. Okay, the eligibility criteria is simple. So try applying for this role. It's a good opportunity and it is the data analyst hiring for you. The application process include online application. You need to submit from this form. Okay, and you need to take an online assessment which consists of aptitude, SQL and Python assessment. Next up, you have technical interview and HR round. Okay, just fill out this form, put your good resume, and if you get shortlisted, you'll have to go through all of the hiring process. And these are the hiring updates for today. Thank you all. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and please join in the WhatsApp channel as well. Thank you all.